Good morning, Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. It is now the morning after with a new gadget that I'm testing, the TicPods 2 Pro Plus. And doing an outside video because I'm with the kids and well, they're playing very loudly like they should be. They're not watching TV and they're playing games, so I'm not going to disturb them. I have this funny thing that I say in the house, okay kids, quiet on set. And they think that's pretty funny. So let's take a look at the quick charge capability because I did a test last night where I left them out all night and the battery died, which is normal. Now when it comes to audio, there's a lot of choices. I've been testing the OnePlus Buds Z, and then these are the Studio Beats. What are they called? The Studio Beats something. And these are the TicPods. So I have them paired to my OnePlus phone, and I go to Bluetooth, and I click on TicPods. They normally just connect, but because I left them out all night, I was listening to them last night, they went dead, which is normal, because it's 10 hours of use, and that was 15 hours ago when I charged them. So what we're going to do is put them in the case. There's the left one. And then whoop, almost dropped it. So there's the left one. Click. Right one, click. You get the little charge indicators. And now we're gonna wait for 10 minutes. See you in 10 minutes. So this is a really good test because for most people, I think it's going to take them, oh, come on, nope, other way, gimbal. For most people, I think it's going to take them a good 10 minutes to get their running gear on. You get a stretch, eat a quick light snack, maybe a protein shake, and then get on the trail. Can you see the trail? It's right back there. Anyway, so I'm going to go run around a lake, and I'm going to test the TikTok, sorry, I'm still waking up, the TicPods Pro, and I want to see how they are for running. Because you get a lot of noise from running, and I want to see if they're going to stay in my ears. I'm going to crank it up to 12 miles an hour today, do some sprints, and we're going to see how they go. Now, a cool thing is, last night I was driving through Colorado, and a lot of traffic, a lot of noise. Kids were having fun in the car, people were talking, and I put these in while I was driving, and I asked my son, hey, I need some B-roll, and this is what happened. So there I am, listening to the music, and I could just hear the music. And I could still hear the road. I mean, they're not like earmuffs where they're blocking everything, but I could just hear the music. I was in my happy place, listening to some Panic at the Disco, actually. And also, yes, I did listen to Lyft Operator. I've been working with the Lyft Operator for well over a year now. He's awesome. Thank you so much, Zach, for letting me use your music. I think I've used your music now in over, 100 of my videos. So thumbs up to Lyft Operator. And the link's in the description below if you want to check them out on Spotify or iTunes. The other thing I like, and it's kind of silly, about the TicPods is they're kind of the same blue as my Apple Watch 6. So that's kind of cool. They match. You can't get the AirPods in any other color than white, whereas TicPods by Mobvoi, they do come in various colors. So there you go. Let me know what you think. 10 minutes have gone by. There's the alarm going off. Stop. Open these up, connecting to TicPods, 73%. So they were dead, and they did a super fast charge, and maybe it might have been 11 minutes, but definitely 10 to 11 minutes. And now they're at 73. So now when I put them in my ear, there's a little dun. Awesome. And now I can go run. See you later. I forgot one really important aspect. I don't like to run with my phone. And the TicPods are currently paired with this multimedia entertainment, the OnePlus 9 Pro. Hasselblad. Can you say Hasselblad? Anyway, so let's see if they will pair with this watch right here, the Garmin Fenix 6X Pro Solar. I know it's a long name, the Fenix. And I think it will. I'm crossing my fingers. I hope they will. Okay, this should be easy. I take them out, and then I shouldn't have to disconnect them, but I find that that's easier. So I'm gonna put this phone into airplane mode, and then they'll disconnect. And then I put them in here. And it's real easy, actually. You just do a long press. Actually, even easier, I have a hotkey. I do a long press on the down button. Oh, airplane enabled. Okay, so I go to my control menu. I take it out of airplane mode. There we go. And I have to kill sleep because it's still in sleeping mode. End sleep. Yes. Whoa, 7 hours and 27 minutes. I'll take that. Long but not restorative sleep. Lame. Score of 60. Lame. Deep sleep, under 2 hours. Light sleep, 3 hours. REM, 2.5. I'll take that. Awake for 8. You did not get enough restorative sleep. You may feel tired today. Great. Thanks, Garmin. Well, quality fare. I've had worse and still gone on a run. All right, back to music. Long press. Okay, and then if I scroll down, it should go to update downloads, view settings, log out. Huh, I thought I could do it here. Oh, you know what? I think if I just choose my track. Ah, there we go. So it says Beats Studio Buds, OnePlus Bud Z, add new, searching for headphones. So now I put that down, and then I open this up and hold it down until they start blinking white. Select try again, searching for headphones. Come on, Garmin, talk to me. Maybe I have to put them in. Wait, how they're playing music? Even though I put it in airplane mode, it was still connected. Dang nabbit. Stupid technology trying to tell me what I want. Okay, so put them in the case. We'll try that again. I should have read the instruction manual, but I didn't have time. Ah, there we go. Select add, connecting to TicPods 2 Pro Plus. Oh, wow. Oh, yes. Tosh station. Oh, the sound is good. Okay, let's go running. All right, 5K run is over. I'll call this the 5K audio test. I have run a 5K before, but not with these headphones. So again, this is day 2. Let's check the audio. So to do that, we're gonna have to end my run. Let's switch the view. Anyway, is this way better than my boring recording studio? I brought my lav mic on holiday and got my tripod. So technically I should, if I support the cable, be able to walk around. Whoop. Whoa, come on camera. Whoa, no, not that way. There we go. And it should be nice and smooth. So the audio was good on the TicPods, way better than the OnePlus. And, whoa, come on camera. And it was also, I would say, right on par with both Apple, and it was right at the same sound quality as the Studio Beats earbuds, those new ones that Costco was selling at a discount. So let's check the battery life after that roughly 12-minute fast charge. All right, I've rebooted everything. Let's see if I can connect to this. Forgot to turn off all my work alarms. Okay, so they're tied to here, and they were paired to here before I paired them to the watch. My watch is in airplane mode, right? Yeah, airplane mode. I'm gonna put it into battery saver mode. I'm gonna take out the headphones just for a second. Put them back in. They do the little boom. And they should connect. Rejected by TicPods Pro. Huh. Now, some headphones will connect to up to 8 devices. Maybe there's a limit, but I only had these paired to the phone, and then I also had them paired to my watch. That's only 2. I didn't connect them to my iPhone. Let's try this again. Put these in. They're in pairing mode. Pairing. Huh. All right, I made a mistake. I did not finish reading the manual. That was not I didn't have them in pairing mode. I thought they were blue. Anyway, you have to have it, the lights blinking blue. And now it says pair with TicPods Pro. Couldn't pair. Oh, wait, what? Come on, no, don't do that. I think I waited too long. So you hold this down until it blinks blue. Is that blue? Okay, Mobvoi, they could be a little easier. Pairing. Come on, pairing. I just had it working, and then I turned on my camera, and well, regardless of what you're seeing now, they were great for running, and they paired so easily to my Phoenix, but now, not so much. Okay, so they're blinking blue. Yeah, they just popped up on my screen. I didn't even have to do anything. Yeah, these indicator lights need to be a little bigger. So I'll take one out. There we go. Allow access to pair. Yes, pair. Dun dun. 71%, give or take. Okay, 52. And then I put them in and out of the case, so really they were at 73. And then I cleaned the house. I told my wife I'd help her around the house. Anyway, so I got over an hour of music with these. They were dead. I couldn't connect to them. Yeah, that's really good battery life. I'm happy with that. Good job. So they passed my 5K test. They work well with this. I'm going to do a 10K run next week, and we'll see how they pair with my Apple Watch, which I was wearing, but the battery was almost dead because that's Apple Watch. So, pretty close comparison, sort of. These are actually at a higher price bracket. These were like 50, but you can get them on sale. They're actually giving them away right now because they're really not that. They're okay. They're okay. The design is gorgeous. I do like how bright that LED sensor is. And see right there, they pair quite nicely with the OnePlus, which they should. But I think I did something wrong. In a way I didn't though, because these were paired nicely. Let's get these out of the picture. We're done talking about those. The TicPods were paired with the OnePlus, my Hasselblad. And then I paired them with the watch, and then I turned off the watch, and I couldn't get them to reconnect. with my OnePlus. So maybe I'll have to talk to support. I'll do some reading. I'll finish reading this pamphlet because, you know, silly me, yeah. So overall, day 2 with the TicPods, I like them. I think they're good. I think they sound really good when I'm running, and I have them in my ears. So by default, they do a little bit of natural noise elimination when they're in your ear, your outer ear. The sound quality is good, not too much bass, but they're not tingy either, which is good, and it really depends on what you want. If you want a lot of bass, then you're gonna wanna go with a different pair, but for the price market, and with the OnePlus buds, after I had them, I'm on my 4th pair. I've been testing those on and off for 4 months. So many issues with those. That's why I'm on my 4th pair. This is my 1st pair. I went running, no issues, no disconnects. I'm gonna go for a walk later tonight because Garmin's yelling at me and telling me that I need to slow down. It's giving me a 4-day break, so yay! I think I'll take a nap today. Anyway, love the design. I like how they fit in my ears, and that's the proprietary thing on headphones. You need to find a pair that fit your ears, and mainly. All right, kind of a short, abrupt cut there. My iPhone ran out of space. Shocker. I know better. I should have moved off some files before I went on vacation. The TicPods 2 Pro Plus, I like them. They remind me a lot of other earbuds. I like the fact that they just sit in my ear. They're comfortable. They pass the hour test. I can wear them for an hour straight. Unlike the AirPods Pro and also the Beats Studio ones, because they go a little farther inside your ear and they create that vacuum underwater sound feeling. I can only wear those for about 90 minutes and then, yeah, not so much. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions. I'll do a 2-week or a 1 month later follow-up on the TicPods headphones, earbuds, whatever you want to call them. They're all headphones, right? Pithy comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, let the credits roll for the Paramount Kid. Goodbye.